To Market, to Market. Written by Annie Miranda, illustrated by Janet Stevens. To market, to buy a fat pig. Home again, jiggity jig. To market, to buy a red hen. Home again, uh-oh, that pig left the pen. To market, to buy a plump goose. Home again, uh-oh, the hen's on the loose. To market, to buy a live trout. Home again, uh-oh, the goose was let out. To market, to buy a spring lamb. Home again, uh-oh, away the trout swam. To market, for one milking cow. Home again, uh-oh, where is that lamb now? To market, to buy a white duck. Now the cow disappeared and I'm out of luck. To market, for one stubborn goat. The duck flew the coop and the goat ate my coat. This is the last straw. I'm a shopping disgrace. Everything's running all over the place. The pig's in the kitchen, the lamb's on the bed, the cow's on the couch. There's a duck on my head. The hen's in the cupboard, the goose is there too. The goat's in the closet, it's chewing my shoe. The trout is in the bathtub, this place is a zoo. I'm hungry, I'm cranky, now what will I do? To market, to buy some potatoes, celery, beets, and some ripe red tomatoes. Some pea pods and peppers and garlic and spice. A round head of cabbage, a sack of brown rice, add okra and onions and one carrot bunch. Home again. Hot soup for lunch. The end.